welcome to another exciting video. In this one, we'll be learning how we can create an admin user, how we can create a new team, and make admin part of that team. So first of all, make sure that you're logged into your Appwrite account, and here under Auth, we will go and click on this. Then you'll see a create user button. Clicking on that will give you this form where we need to provide the name, email address, and password. And using that, I've created a new user called admin, and I've provided the email ID and all, and I've verified this. Once we have created the user, the next thing that we need to do is click on Teams, and under Teams, you can go ahead and click on Create Team. So here I have created a team called Admin Team. Now let's click on this. You just have to provide the name of the team, and once the team has been created, you click on that team, and under that, you'll find the details of that team. You can set team preferences and all, and then the next tab that you see after Overview called Members. You can go ahead and create a member by clicking on this button. Here you need to provide the ID or email ID of the user whom you want to add as part of this team. For instance, I've already added admin over here, so all you need to do is just to specify the email address. You can leave the roles as blank as it's optional and click on create. So here we have our admin now. Once we do this, you'll notice that the overview of admin team shows that we have one member. And if I go back to users and click on admin over here, under membership, you'll notice that team is appearing. So that's how easy it is to create an admin user and to make that user as part of a team. Now in the next one, we'll explore how we can utilize this information and make changes in our web application